रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is forward reaction and reverse reaction, also its comparison. From unit number 1, chemical equilibrium. Forward reaction. Forward reaction is defined as the conversion of reactants into products. Conversion means tabdeel hona. The conversion of reactants into products. Reactant means a substances, a chemicals which undergoes the reaction, and products means the substances are the compounds which form as a result. Per unit time are the rate of chemical reaction taking place in forward direction. Second one is reverse reaction. Reverse reaction is defined as the conversion of products back into reactants. Forward reaction was about the conversion of reactants into products, while reverse reaction is about the conversion of products back into reactants per unit time. At the rate of reaction or the rate of chemical reaction taking place in reverse direction. The comparison of macroscopic characteristics of forward and reverse reaction is given below. Macroscopic characteristic of forward reaction, that it is a reaction in which reactants react to form the products, while in reverse reaction it is a reaction in which products reacts to form reactants. Forward reaction take place from left to right, from left side to right side, while reverse reaction take place from right side to left side. At initial stage means at first the rate of forward reaction is very fast, is very sharp, while in the beginning the rate of reverse reaction is negligible, is zero. Reverse reaction slows down gradually. Gradually mean ahista. With the passage of time, it slows down. While the reverse reaction, it speeds up gradually. With the passage of time, reverse reaction speeds up. My dears, practice problem 9.1 as your today's assignment. Write the forward and reverse reaction for the following reversible reaction. Example 9.1 is for your convenience. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care and Khuda Hafiz.